Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300, crafted to engage car enthusiasts on your YouTube channel. The script includes in-depth analysis, technical details, historical context, and an immersive storytelling approach. Opening scene: dramatic engine revs, slow-motion shots of the car gliding down a highway. The world of hypercars is filled with engineering marvels, but some machines exist on a level beyond superlatives. They aren't just fast, they redefine what's possible. This is the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300, an icon of speed, power, and cutting-edge automotive technology. This is not just another hypercar. This is the pinnacle of performance. What makes this machine so special? What pushes it beyond the realm of anything else on the road today? That's exactly what we're going to uncover in today's video. Cut to sweeping aerial shots of the Chiron Super Sport 300 slicing through a mountain pass, followed by a close-up of the headlights switching on. It all started with a simple but audacious idea: build a car that could shatter records and leave an indelible mark on history. Bugatti, a name synonymous with excellence and prestige, took this challenge to the extreme, and the result was a hypercar unlike any other. The history behind the Chiron Super Sport 300. Bugatti's journey to 300 miles per hour was no accident. It was a deliberate, calculated pursuit of the limits of speed. The original Chiron was already a masterpiece, boasting 1,500 horsepower and a top speed electronically limited to 261 miles per hour. But for Bugatti, that wasn't enough. They had to go further, faster. Entered the Chiron Super Sport 300, a machine that made headlines when it became the first road-legal car to break the 300-mile-per-hour barrier. But Bugatti didn't stop there. They continued refining, pushing the limits of aerodynamics, power, and stability to create the ultimate version for 2025. Design and aerodynamics: a function meets beauty. Cut to close-up shots of the front splitter, massive air intakes, and the long-tail rear design. At first glance, the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 might look like its predecessor, but look closer, and you'll see this isn't just a minor evolution, it's a complete transformation. The extended long-tail design isn't just for aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in high-speed stability, reducing drag and keeping the car glued to the road at mind-bending speeds. The rear diffuser has been meticulously engineered to minimize turbulence, ensuring that airflow remains as efficient as possible. The front end features larger air intakes, redesigned for better cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille remains, but every single detail is sculpted with the purpose of pure speed. The lightweight magnesium wheels not only reduce unsprung weight but also enhance airflow around the tires, further optimizing the car's aerodynamic profile. Every panel, every vent, every curve is the result of countless hours of wind tunnel testing, all aimed at achieving that magic number, 300 miles per hour and beyond. Engine and performance at the heart of a beast. Cut to the roaring W16 engine startup, flames shooting from the quad exhaust. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the Chiron Super Sport 300 a legend of the engine. Underneath the sculpted rear deck lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 powerhouse, pushing out an astonishing 1,600 horsepower and 1,180 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's a 100 horsepower increase over the standard Chiron, and while that might not sound like much, in the world of hypercars, it makes all the difference. The engine has been fine-tuned to handle extreme speeds, with larger turbos, revised internals, and a reworked exhaust system that not only improves airflow but also produces a symphony of mechanical aggression. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission has been recalibrated to handle the immense power and torque, delivering seamless shifts even under full throttle acceleration. Power is sent to all four wheels, ensuring maximum traction and stability even at ridiculous speeds. Speed and performance, a true record breaker. Cut to a buff shot from the driver's seat, showcasing the speedometer climbing rapidly. So, just how fast is the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300? Let's break it down. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. 0 to 186 miles per hour in around 12 seconds. And, of course, a top speed exceeding 300 miles per hour. That's right, this isn't just a hypercar, it's a jet fighter for the road. But speed isn't just about raw numbers. It's about control, precision, and the confidence to push limits without compromise. That's where Bugatti's advanced aerodynamics and chassis tuning come into play. Chassis and handling, more than just a straight-line monster. Cut to the car taking tight corners, showing off its grip and stability. With all this power, you might think the Chiron Super Sport 300 is only good for straight-line speed. But that's where Bugatti proves everyone wrong. Thanks to an adaptive suspension system, the car remains incredibly planted, even on winding roads. The dampers constantly adjust in real time, keeping the car balanced no matter the driving conditions. The all-wheel drive system works seamlessly with torque vectoring, distributing power to each wheel as needed. This ensures that the Chiron Super Sport 300 isn't just fast, it's agile, precise, and confidence-inspiring even when pushed to the limit. Interior luxury meets technology. Cut to close-up shots of the luxurious leather seats, digital instrument cluster, and premium materials. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's every bit as breathtaking as the car's exterior. Bugatti has always been known for blending performance with luxury, and the Chiron Super Sport 300 is no exception. Premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminium accents create an environment that's both opulent and driver-focused. The minimalist yet elegant dashboard features a digital instrument cluster with high-speed telemetry readouts, ensuring that the driver remains fully aware of the car's performance at all times. Every control is ergonomically placed, designed for ease of use at high speeds. The steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, provides a perfect grip, ensuring that every input is met with immediate precision. Price and exclusivity, a dream for the few. Cut to a slow-motion shot of the car under spotlights, with a dramatic voiceover. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 isn't just a car, it's an experience, a statement, a piece of history. And that kind of exclusivity comes at a price. With a price tag well over $4 million, this hypercar is reserved for the elite few. But even if you had the money, good luck getting your hands on a production is extremely limited, making it one of the most exclusive cars on the planet. Final thoughts are the ultimate expression of speed. Cut to a closing montage of the car in motion, the sun setting in the background. The 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 isn't just about speed. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a testament to human engineering, passion, and an unrelenting pursuit of perfection. Is this the greatest hypercar ever made? That's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, this is a machine that will be remembered for generations to come. What are your